Hello super investors, let's talk about Brightcom group once again. I'm sorry I got late in making video because the power was not there in my office. So finally it came back. So I'm making the videos because I was unable to upload the video without Wi-Fi. Friends, if you see today also Brightcom group showed us the lower side also and higher side also, and today it was from 52, it went back to 53, then 57, and then it closed to 56.40. so we saw around 3% upside in the Brightcom group, although it went back to lower circuit and again it jumped to the higher level and closed in 3% up. There's a big update about Brightcom group that might make you happy. If you see the volume on BSC, around 16 lakh shares were traded, and around NSE around 75 lakh shares were traded, so around 91 lakh shares volume was taken place. If you talk about delivery percentage, around 46% people took the delivery of the Brightcom group. As you know that even the bulk deals are happening at the lower price. Today also two bulk deals took place. 6,39,000 and 3,78,000 shares were traded in large deal and bulk deal. Now the big update is Brightcom group has been moved from stage 2 to stage 1, the ASM stage 2 to stage 1. So that is a good news. Let's hope in few days it gets out of the ASM list, and once it gets out of the ASM list, the circuit limit of 5% will be also increased. So that will be quite comforting thing for the Brightcom group investors, because the variation and movement will be bigger than what is happening now, because now the circuit limit is only of 5%. Once it gets out of the ASM stage 1 also, then circuit limit will again increase maybe to 10% to 20% in coming days. So this is a big thing for the Brightcom group investors, and you must be wondering what is happening in Brightcom group. Friends, actually 50-52 is a very good level to buy Brightcom group. So whenever it touches that level, we see the again the buying starts and it goes up, but it is not able to sustain because of the overall market conditions. Now the Brightcom group may linger around in 50 rupees to 60 rupees level for few days, until and unless there is a very big positive news from the company or market is positive, it will break 60 rupees and will go up. Otherwise it may hover around in that level only. And the reason why it is not going up, because Nasdaq also on yesterday on Thursday went down. Today even IT index was also down. So overall the market scenario, and even the Nifty was down. So overall the market scenario is bad. Despite of that, from lower circuit again the circuit got open and we saw the heavy buying. So that is a positive thing in Brightcom group share. Although now because the intraday is on, so the operators, it is a easy playground for the operators. So like we don't know how operator will take this share in coming days. What you feel, whether it will go below 50 rupees or it will bounce back from 50 rupees and go up to 60 rupees, please comment. As far as I am concerned, I bought in 51 rupees as I told you in earlier videos, and I sold at 57 rupees. Today also I bought few shares at 52 and lower circuit, but again it went back to 56 rupees. Now on Monday, let's see what happens in the Brightcom group share. But the positive news is now it is out of the ASM stage 2 and moved back to ASM stage 1. So let's hope it gets out of as soon as possible. What you feel, whether it will go again up or it will be in consolidation mode for a few days. But overall, if you see that the market scenario, looking at the market scenario, it is not the chances of going back to back upper circuit is very less, and the people who want to hold for the long term, they can buy at around 50-52 in small quantity. They can keep on adding. For long term, this price is very good. In 1 year it may touch around 120 to 150 level depending on the market and quarter results, but overall for long term it is good share to buy. So if you have a long term view, you can buy in small quantity. If you have a short term view, you can buy at the low price and sell immediately at the high price. There is no point in holding for big profit, because market is so volatile. So it will try to go up, but it will again eventually will come down. So let's see what happens on Monday. I'll keep you posted. Thank you, friends.